Google is working on its upcoming smartphone under Pixel 9 lineup as Pixel 9a, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specifications has surfaced online by Steve Hemmerstoffer, in partner with Android Headlines. According to leaks and other rumors, the Pixel 9a will feature a flat screen with slightly small rounded bezels on the edges, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a horizontally aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM slot, and a Type-C charging port. Under the hood, the phone is rumored to come powered by Tensor G4 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM, and it will likely run on latest upcoming Android 15 out of the box. The physical dimensions of this smartphone is said to measure at 154 by 73 by 8.5 mm. Apart from this, there is no other details of Pixel 9a has leaked so far, and the phone is expected to launch in the month of March next year. So as of now, that's all we know about the Pixel 9a smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.